Hey there Internet, Keeve here, and welcome to the Cars and Keeve YouTube channel. And this video is about the income the channel has generated during 2023. To kind of give you an idea of the car washing, car detailing niche, product reviews, what that kind of pays, our operating income, did we make money this year, what are the plans for next year with the channel, and the direction of the videos. So the channel did pretty well in 2023. We gained about almost 6,000 subscribers during the year. We had 2.8 million views for 2023. About 1.7 million of that was shorts. So not a whole lot of ad revenue there. 1.1 million views were long form videos, and that equated to us making about $7,500 on YouTube. Now, a lot of that ad revenue happens in March, April, May, and into June, which is the car wash season. That's when most people are researching their car wash setups for the summer. Now, I can't disclose a whole lot about my ad rates, ad revenues, all that kind of stuff. That you're not supposed to talk about that stuff from Google. I know people do. I just will give you a rough estimate that my CPM is in that between $10 and $20 for the car washing detailing niche. It's more than some channels and less than others. People in finance making like 30. Crazy CPM. You have people who do finance videos once a week with 100,000 subscribers making more than people with 5 million subscribers who are like lifestyle vloggers. When you're in a niche such as car detailing and car washing, my demographic is age 25 to 50, which is a heavily targeted demographic, predominantly male. The creator gets 55% of that, and then YouTube gets 45%. There's also a small amount that comes from YouTube Premium. So if you get YouTube Premium, you have no ads. Well, the money that you paid into YouTube Premium, 55% of that goes to the creator. So throughout the year, or the month, or whatever it was, the amount of view that you do if you're on YouTube Premium gets dispersed to those channels and those videos. Now at $7,500, only about 30% of the revenue for the channel. The main source of income is Amazon affiliate marketing. Now that's the links in the description. A lot of the stuff that I use in the videos, product reviews, some of it is given to me for free, like some of the draft tools, pressure washers, some of the active products. But the overwhelming majority of the products I buy from Amazon, and I help supplement the purchase of that product for the video through the Amazon affiliate links. The Amazon affiliate links, you click on it, takes you to the page. Amazon rewards me for bringing you to Amazon by giving me a commission. Usually I have between 3 and 5%. Now we sold about $375,000 worth of products on Amazon. That's shipped. That's minus all of the returns. So when you get paid by Amazon, they pay about 2 months behind because of the returns. Because you could get revenue now, you could in a week lose it because somebody returns a really large item. Just like YouTube pays 2 months behind as well. So whatever I make this month in December, I won't see until February. So that $375,000 in shipped revenue equated to about $14,000 in income from Amazon. Outside of that is many other affiliate accounts. I have an affiliate account with Obsessed Garage, DIY Detail, MJJC. We also have Active Products and a few others. That's about $4,000 a year. That's not a large amount, but it helps pay for the hobby. So that comes out to a total for the channel for the year of 2023 of about $27,000 in income. Now that's before taxes. Remember that when you're doing 1099 style work like this, you're a sole proprietor. So my income, this is not my full-time job, this is a hobby. So that money, it has to be taxed. So what we do is we combine our W-2 incomes from our jobs. I include this channel's hobby income. It's not a business, it's not an LLC, it's considered self-employed. So we combine all that together. I have to adjust my paychecks throughout the year. The total expenses so far is about $13,000 is what I've spent. That's purchasing products on Amazon. That's stuff for the office space here, camera equipment, batteries, all that kind of stuff. It all adds up. So that's one big thing of advice, that if you're looking to start YouTube and you want to get monetized, really keep a really good spreadsheet or program. I use a program called QuickBooks Self-Employed, which has really helped. I have it linked to all of my accounts, my credit cards. So anytime a transaction happens, it posts it, and then I can choose whether that is a personal business transaction or if I'm splitting it between personal and business. Also, my income, my direct deposits show up. I can say whether or not those are income or if that is personal. You also have up to 300 square foot, which this garage is 300 square foot. This is my studio, my office. So that is about a $1,500 tax write-off. I have about $1,000 in travel expenses for the car shows and stuff that I need to add on. So total expenses with all the tax deductions that come with it, about $16,000. So we're about $9,000 in profit for this year. We did carry over about $7,000 to $8,000 worth of debt from last year, building this dream wash bay that was way over budget. But I'm happy to announce that we are in the black. We are profitable since probably about middle of the summer. And I do believe I have enough operating income to carry through the majority of 2024. The expenses, I already have the money. I'm not borrowing money to make money. So when you have a business, you have to spend money to make money. And sometimes you have to borrow money to do that. Majority of this garage was borrowed money. The initial budget was about $5,000, wound up being about 10 grand. That's all paid off. We're in the black, like I said, and we are now purchasing with money made from this year for next year. We're already probably 8 to 10 videos ahead in content of products that I've already bought that we can roll into next year. And we have huge plans for next year. Many really big purchases. We're going all out. We're spending money to make money, right? Well, the whole point of this channel really isn't to make money. I would really love for this to be my living, but it's not. And it's far, far from ever really becoming my living. Just because you make $25,000, $27,000, I spent $13,000 to $15,000 to make that. And after taxes, really, it's not a ton. It's a nice little extra bit to buy modifications for the car, invest in future things like big pressure washer stuff for spring. It's gonna be big. Big Boy, I don't know if you ever heard of them, from Australia. They're coming to the United States this spring with some major pro style pressure washers. So we're spending $500, $600, $700, $800 on pressure washer setups. I have reached out to them to see if I can get review stuff, but I'm not sure. Active has their 2.3 coming out. I'm not sure if I'm going to get one of those or not. So I have to prepare to buy one. Like last year with the 2.0, I bought one and they gave me one and I gave one away. That's a very possible thing this year as well. The giveaways, I do want to do more. And that's shifting the focus of the channel to mainly product reviews. Those are the ones that I enjoy doing. I enjoy doing the testing. We're still going to show you car washing every now and then, but maybe the chemical reviews won't be as big of a thing. More about foamers, foam cannons, pressure washers. And then as I nail out all those products and we get into the summer and I've reviewed everything that's out on the market, we'll show more car wash stuff and chemical stuff. So the ebb and flow of the channel will move around. Spring's the big focus for products. One of the first things I want to do is I want to do a video of taking up my Swiss tracks and seeing what it looks like underneath. Did the bare coating that I put down hold up underneath the Swiss tracks? Did my drainage channels work properly? Do I have mold? Do I have bugs, infestation, whatever? I think I got a little bit of everything. We have tons of other things. I want to show phase 3 of the Dream Car Garage here. So here's just a few of the products that we have set up already for future videos. We have some Ryobi shop vacs here, some 18-volt units, really good for quick mobile detailing. We have a Draft Tools 1/4 inch pressure hose reel that I thought was going to be a really good video, but I still think it will. This is proprietary connections, but I have a way around this, but it's also going to teach us in that video how to repair a pressure washer hose with 3/8 or a 1/4 inch. We also have this foam can right here. It's what I consider a filler video when I don't have anything big to do or I don't have enough time to prepare for a larger video. It's got a built-in little measuring cup thing here, and it's got a weighted ball, so it's pretty nice. About a $20-something foam cannon. We have our first tank style DI review with this spot buy, and it came with some Colombian Bam Bam.
What the hell are you talking about?
Cops are coming. There's a kilo of Colombian Bam Bam under the car.
You guys are really loving the DI testing because there's not a whole lot of people out there that are doing like full on running hundreds of gallons of water and raising up their water bill, which may be something I'll have to expense in the future. Now this is one that I'm really excited about. As you can see, this little box right here. I'm showing you about 3 different levels of DI bypasses. I'm talking about recreating the water drop stainless steel, one that's gonna be pretty expensive. I mean, I have some high quality stainless steel 304 fittings, really good hoses and stuff. But also we've gone the brass route for a medium spending, and also going over a cheaper lower end bypass, which I think is a really cool idea. I don't think many people have shown this. But I also just want to focus on anything that I can find on a Google search, whether they have an affiliate or not. Now that we have the operating income and we're not borrowing money, we're using already profited money, we can make a few expenditures that we may not make our money back on, especially when it comes to DI systems. I have had some suggestions for people of the Allegro US water systems DI tanks, do some of those and some of the other ones. But obviously Amazon is the more convenient place for people to buy, free shipping, the Amazon returns process, all that kind of stuff. Amazon is a good place to buy products, but also there's a lot of cheap, crappy products on Amazon as well. A few other things to look for 2024, MJJC Pro version 3, early spring, maybe. We don't know yet. I haven't talked to them in quite a while. But last time I talked to them that they had pushed it to 2024. We had thought end of this year, 2023, but I'm thinking February, March. So let me know in the comments below, what kind of products do you want to see us review this year? Obviously people want to see pressure washers, and I can't keep buying every cheap pressure washer from Amazon because they're all crap. So I really want to thank all of you for watching. It's crazy the stats because 93% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, like, comment. So that's it for Cars with Keith in 2023. This last video, I'm gonna probably release it on Thursday or Friday just before Christmas. With Christmas and New Year's being on Monday, I am taking the rest of the year off. And you'll see the first video second week of January. I hope you have a great happy holidays, a great end to 2023, and nothing but prosperity and positivity for 2024. I'll see you next year. Now that's 75. No, that's 7,500. Now that $7,500 is only us. And any subsequent purchase you make, the last now that's not so video ideas for oh my gosh.